that simple. You can also pair two speakers, but follow the instructions clearly to get them connected. The sound and the Biddy Boomers are both clear and really good. However, you can't really blast it.
What's up, Jay, baby?
Mouse.
So what goes on top of it? You could switch it out.
Yeah.
You can make it loud, but not super loud. They make really good collectibles. Plus, they're small enough to fit in your pocket and use as a portable speaker.
Oh, isn't our favorite one?
Oh, that one's cool.
They're called Biddy Boomers.
BD or baby boomers?
Biddy Boomers.
Oh.
Really good sound. The figures are full of display, and
They're little Bluetooth speakers. That's cool. For us. Jesus. They're like a Dark Vader cup. What is this? What is it? Oh, it's a calendar.
What?
It's a calendar. Look at it. You changed it.
Oh.
It's a little trash can, or this is for ice? This little guy up here.
What? Anytime.
That's cool. Oh, it's like a little snowball.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. That's neat. Look at, you put your pin here maybe? Oh, no, you probably can't hold a pin here.
Is it tie? Is that a tie? And this one. The book holder, a book stand. That you're using the force to hold the books. So when the books lay like this, you can't see the. You
I
can't
know,
see this.
it's cool. It's
So
like,
it
it's
looks
like
like
it's
he's
holding
holding
it.
the books.
It's like an illusion.
That's crazy.
You want this, baby?
No, for you. That's cool.
You sure? It's
Yeah,
okay for you?
that's
You
cute.
get baby 8.
That's so cute.
Do you hot
Is
cocoa
it
in
the
this?
cup or no? Is that the only one I have?
You think so?
Yes.
Careful, Wolf. Careful, Papa.
This is cool.
They have this one, but it's kind of, it's just really plain.
No way, 134 bucks. This is for ice.
How much?
For ice, $134. Look at the little,
Oh my god.
the ice bucket. That's cool.
It's cool, but it's too plain.
Oh, look at this.
Does it come with this piece of wood? It's a separate.
This is called Wampa. No. I don't know his name. I forgot his name. I forgot. Is this a tie? What is it, socks? What is this, babe?
Hats?
Socks.
They look like it's a tie.
No, they're
Yeah,
socks.
Marvel. Yeah, Marvel.
That's cool. How
That
much are they?
Marvel. That Marvel.
Marvel where?
Right there.
Oh, okay. Hold on.
Marvel. Yeah, it's
$4, not bad. I mean, I wouldn't wear them.
Why not? Probably look
I'll
cool
wear
with your
them.
bands. When you have shorts on. Oh, these are eyelashes.
Oh, yeah.
In case you come to the mall and you don't have your lashes on, you come here and you buy a pair.
Hurry, push it.
Which flavor?
What number is it?
A2, foo. Get it.
And cream.
All right, buddy, go ahead.
Where's his face?
It comes inside. It says the spoon is in the cup.
That was a fail. Hey, I think you're rid of it. Go hold that.
Let's go.
Don't drop it.
And Baby Yoda.
Oh, that alien right there.
We got the money.
Baby Yoda, please. Baby Yoda. Baby Yoda. Give Baby Yoda. Give Baby Yoda.
No, I'm gonna get Pikachu because Pikachu's closer, Papa.
I want to get Baby
Right. Let's see.
Careful with the glass though.
Well, Baby Yoda's too tucked in, my love. Seconds.
Well, I don't know. You play. No, the glass is right there. No, can't get that. You can't get Pikachu. He's too close to the glass. The alien? The other alien? I don't know. Dang, $2? What a waste.
The disappointment on his face.
Go find Baby Yoda. Go find one.
No. Super Mario?
Yeah.
Yeah, Santa Claus. It's Spider-Man. I have Spider-Man. Go down.
Aw, they have Minnie Mouse.
Oh yeah, I see it. I saw the Spider-Man. Yeah, come here, the Spider-Man.
I don't see Deadpool. Dang.
Spider-Man.
So crazy.
Spider-Man. Oh, you want to see Spider-Man?
I know, I'm working on it.
Babe, I want this one right here.
Spider-Man.
That one. The brown hair.
Oh wow, I'm gonna give you this one.
Which one?
Zombie camp.
You want a ribbon? Here, want a ribbon?
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, Deadpool. Deadpool.
Oh, there's Deadpool.
Yeah, Deadpool.
Good job, Wolf.
And
That's a
Deadpool.
cute one.
See, Deadpool. Deadpool. Alright, Deadpool.
Yeah.
Deadpool, Deadpool, here, Deadpool.
Not placing you in. One more time.
Look at the kids.
Ah, so cool.
Let me get one that's like laying down.
This one, but I want the hair like that. Oh my god.
There.
No, I moved it sideways. I'll tell you. Look, guys, and when you look, Betty.
Ready? I'm Super Mario. brown ones. Now Super Mario.
Okay, let's see what Daddy could do.
Down,
So
down.
far.
Now Super Mario. Down.
How do you even determine?
6 seconds.
The
Oh, it's not close.
Which one were you aiming towards?
The green one? So
The
far.
little guy, look at the little guy right here.
Green, green, green.
I can't, Wolf. I can't. It's too far up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The red guy?
Because they're all like, they're not in the middle, they're all like on the sides. But the
Yeah.
little guy, I think you could probably get. I don't know if he wants that. 6 seconds.